Welcome to Alchemist Review, where we are applying content intelligence to manuscripts. So ultimately, we're taking our private data in AI cloud. We're taking manuscripts as inputs, and this is an example of Will F.J. Ford, who's Hum's lead data scientist and one of his papers. And we're feeding it through a set of highly trusted and verified AI models. And these models are producing outputs that are meant to be useful for various sorts of editorial staff. And so you'll see things here like paper type and summaries, the methods that were applied in the paper, some of the abstracted citation evaluation. These are some of the things that are meant to be useful initially in the desk reject decision. See things downstream that may be helpful for things like selecting reviewers, and things more upstream that are meant to be used in the filtering process. Our core initial set of focus is on the desk reject decision and helping editors do their job faster, easier, and with greater consistency. You'll also see our partner, GroundedAI, and their citation evaluation. They will go each citation by citation within a paper. They will evaluate the extent to which there is something on the other side of that citation and the extent to which that is actually well represented in the sort of claim that's made around that citation. There are other things like the journal representation, so which journals were cited within the paper, author concentration, so looking for things like self-citation and citation rings, and then all the way up and through and including looking at the author track record. So attempting to see the extent to which there are retraction issues among the set of authors. This is a deep analysis filling a gap that was really difficult for humans to fulfill. We'll see things like 200 to 500 citations within a paper. Then there's the advanced analyses. So these are deep capabilities, really deep thinking about what is in the model. What is in the manuscript. So things like statistical rigor, the quality of the methods. So not just which methods were applied, but the extent to which those are a good fit for the sort of research aims of the paper. Looking at things like logical consistency. So what extent do the claims and methods and the conclusions follow from each other? To what extent is this a novel piece of research? So as you're thinking about the desk reject decision in particular, these are some of the means that you're able to use as an editor to gauge the extent to which this is something that ought to proceed to peer review. We're also experimenting with things like figure evaluation, so using vision language models in order to check some of the basic sort of hygiene, but also to look at the deeper text surrounding the figures themselves. So this is really fitting with our broader sort of theme of allowing humans to do and evaluate the science and having AI help with more of the administrata. So we appreciate your interest in Alchemist Review and look forward to your thoughts and questions.